Hi, I'm speaking to all the cavemen. Yes, cavemen, Sasquatch, who wear fur, or even fur trim, like on the coat hood, or UGG sheepskins, yes, UGGs, or any cruel caveman animal skin, but especially fur from fox, rabbits, dogs imported from China, baby white seals, and such. Why don't you go to an animal shelter where they euthanize animals or dogs and cats? Why don't you collect their fur pelt and slap it around your body? And while you're at it, why don't you eat the cooked flesh from the animal? If you are going to eat and wear animal skins, why not wear roadkill and euthanized animals so it doesn't increase supply and demand? So, cavemen, I challenge you, go to an animal shelter, collect the pelts and the cooked flesh of dogs and cats, or when your pet dies, collect the pelt and the carcass and consume it like you would a factory farm animal. Look up a factory farm video. Thank you, and go enjoy your roadkill or go vegan. Thank you, cruel cavemen. Welcome to the future. Vegan future, and I am the bird man. Most eat 37 land animals a year, and 35 of them are factory farm birds. Give up the birds. Thanks.